Have you ever thought about putting sugar in your shampoo? Continue watching to learn about the incredible advantages of this tiny little hack. Hello, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe to ensure that you do not miss any of the suggestions we post. Are you ready for the tip of the day? Great, let's get started. Sugar is utilized in many body scrub recipes, and it can also be added to shampoos to have a similar effect on the scalp. That's right. The goal of this homemade concoction is to cleanse and exfoliate the scalp while also reducing some of its oiliness. The goal of this concoction is to perform a home hair detox and eliminate all dead skin cells. Sugar shampoo also promises to leave hair hydrated because hair conditioners and masks can work more effectively without dead skin cells blocking the hair. Not to mention the fact that it promotes hair growth. It occurs as a result of the scalp exfoliation massage increasing blood circulation in the area. Isn't it incredible? Did the advantages of this recipe pique your interest? There is no exact percentage for making sugar shampoo, but the idea is to add a small amount of sugar to the shampoo as you wash it, rather than to the entire bottle. Simply keep a glass or plastic jar filled with sugar in your bathroom and use it anytime you wash your hair. Wash your hair as usual after that. Always massage your scalp with your fingertips rather than your nails. Massage for a few seconds before rinsing to get rid of all of the sugar. Finish your wash with conditioner or a hair mask, if desired. Perform a short allergy test before using the sugar combination. Apply a small amount of your regular shampoo on your scalp, along with a pinch of sugar. You can use it as long as there are no signs of irritation. This mixture is quite effective and may be used on any hair type or condition. Because sugar shampoo detoxes the hair more thoroughly than other shampoos and removes practically all oiliness, it's best to do this procedure only once or twice a week. It's worth mentioning that if you put sugar in your shampoo bottle, it won't have the same exfoliating effect, as the sugar melts when in contact with liquids for too long. We hope you have found this little tip useful and let us know in the comments below if you have tried it and what the results were. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.